Welcome to this video. English grammar review with Learning Buddy. Verb tenses. Number 1. She blanked to the grocery store yesterday. Is it goes, went, or gone? The clue in this sentence is the word yesterday. Remember that this is called time indicator that gives us the hint to think that the action in this sentence was completed in the past. The action was completed at a certain time in the past. We will not answer A because the tense of this word goes is present. That is called present, or S form of the verb go. Although the subject is singular, we cannot use this for the tense is present. And we are looking for the word or verb that is in past or past tense. We will also not answer C for the word gone is called the past participle of the word go. That must be needing had, have, or had before it. Thus, the answer here is B, went, because the word went is the past tense or verb 2 of the word go. We will not use the past participle. We are going to use the past simple tense, went. Again, the tense of this word is called verb 2 or past tense of the word go. And the tense of the verb in this sentence is called past simple tense. Alright, the sentence read, she went to the grocery store yesterday. Next, let's have number 2. She blank gone to the city to find a job. Is it has, have, or is? One sounds awkward, right? Remember the clue, gone. Again, as what we've said, that is called past participle of the word go. And this word gone gives us the hint that what we're looking for is the helping verb that is used before the past participle or the main verb. So gone is the main verb, it's in the past participle, thus we must provide a helping verb that is has, have, or had. We will not answer B, have, for the subject is singular. She, the pronoun she as the subject is singular. And have is not used for she. What we must use is the word has to have present perfect singular verb phrase. Is not the answer, for this is called present simple, meaning this verb is used in present simple tenses. Alright? The answer is has. The sentence read, she has gone to the city to find a job. The answer is not B nor C, because the answer is A, has. Let's proceed to number 3. She blank applying for the position since 2023. Is the answer has been, have been, or was? These 3 are actually applicable to this word, applicable helping verbs to the word applying. But was is not the answer, for there is a word that gives us a clue. The word since states that the action has been started in the past and continues up to the present. And was plus applying is called past progressive intense or past continuous intense. So that is not the answer. Again, since is the clue word that tells us that the action has been started in the past or at a certain time in the past and continues up to the present and may continue up to the future. Again, we will not use the word since with past progressive or past continuous tenses. So what we're looking for is present perfect progressive. A, is it has been, or B, have been? For us to provide the correct verb phrase, we need to identify the subject's count. The subject is she, and that is singular. The pronoun she is singular. Present perfect continuous, use the singular helping verb has. She has been applying for the position since 2023. Again, the reason why we chose has been because the subject is singular, use has and not have. Again, the tense of the verb is present perfect continuous. Thanks for watching.